Of all the scary videos that I've seen, the carpet video is one that stands out. I genuinely couldn't believe what happened in this video at first.
I need to see that again.
Had to be fake. There's no other way. I decided to research where it came from, and one thing I found completely changed my opinion. I think I just saw what happened. So this is when I initially watched this video on stream.
That's weird.
I'm gonna watch it one more time and see what my reaction would be the second time watching it through. Bro. Her reaction is like spot on. She doesn't seem like she knew it was gonna happen. Oh, it really seems like it's authentic. And we could see that the cord wasn't on top of the rug completely. It wasn't even on the corner. If I had to decide right now, I would probably say that this is fake. I mean, this is just a Ring camera that seems like it's positioned up in the corner. Personally, I don't understand having it on a non-point of entry into the house. I mean, isn't the most uncommon view of like a Ring camera. No motive so far. As for the origin, we know this is coming from her Ring camera, appearing to be just off the kitchen. It is reasonably placed. Okay, so as for a timeline, when we go back, Sir Spook says,
shared a video in May of 2025.
May of 2025, and when we check the original post on TikTok, 3:11 p.m. on May 3rd of 2025. When we check that video specifically, it does have what appears to be a reasonable amount of engagement. The channel is kind of so basic. So owner of Gizmo Walks, never miss a post from Two Girls One Cat podcast. Ooh, that is quite a name for a podcast. Just two girls walking a cat. Gizmo leash was purchased on Amazon. DM me for the link. Ooh, I hate that. 111 weeks ago. So this is like 2 years ago. Okay, I don't know if that's related. How long ago was this post? A year and like 4 months ago, so almost 2 years ago. Bethany and Claire, so this must be Claire. Real life conversations and our love for cat. Appears to be real. Oh, that video is pinned on there because it was probably one of our most viral ones. It looks like all the other ones are about the dog, about animals. Let's watch a few TikToks.
I'm seriously the cutest ever. Look at me, it's official.
Okay.
This heat wave is not an excuse to not cook for your kids. It's just fucking downright lazy parenting.
She's in Shropshire Hill in England. So we're in Shropshire, England.
So simple that was.
Okay, I mean, I feel like feeding that to your kids is like sometimes kind of questionable, so I guess people might have issue with that. Oh no, that's like a pop song. That's like a current song. I thought this makes sense. So she basically works as a dog walker. I mean, some of them are the same. This little cute guy. Ooh, it's a Cho-Cho. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Go, he's so cute. Okay, so that must be her dog. And maybe she walks dogs, but I don't see any other people's dogs. But it is weird because it seems like a totally normal channel that posts about dogs and everything else other than scary stuff. So this is like the only scary video. Okay, so let's kind of figure out where we're at right now. So we know who uploaded it. So we know the user is Charles Bell. It seems like a pretty legit account. We know they're in Shropshire, England. The original video was posted on TikTok and she appears to be real based on the several accounts that seem to be connected to her socials. Region Finder for TikTok, which shows that her account was made in October 1st of 2023. So she made her account way over a year before that video was even posted. It doesn't seem like they normally fake any kind of content so far. Haven't posted any similar paranormal videos from what I can see. It's really all about pets. So I have not been able to find a single one that is about paranormal stuff at all. Has anyone called them out? So let's look in here. It's not even like the wire was anywhere near it or anything. I know I've inspected the video and there is no explanation. Absolutely none. Has anything else happened? I'm so invested in stuff like this. She did not respond to has anything else happened. And that was like the day after the post. I've checked it, there's nothing in the roller. I'm not scared, oh well, just shared it to TikTok. So she's not even bothered by this. She's just like, oh, it was weird. Where'd you get the carpet from? Store or secondhand? Catalog clearance. They have a page on here. LOL. Okay, so it's probably a cheap rug, which I think will come in play later. Why camera in the house though? To check on the dogs in the day while I'm at work. Bro, that plays to her motive. I can't believe we figured that. To watch the dogs, which does fit, bro, because she is so about these dogs. So we're gonna just tie those together here. But at least we can say we've tied the origin or the motive back to the video, and we know that that's where it's coming from. She even is not worried about the situation as well. So this will kind of be attributes for her. So she does appear to be real. She's not scared. And honestly, right now, she just has no reason to lie. I mean, the comments are kind of tame on it. Yeah, you can see right here. I wasn't going to, it doesn't bother me. Same, it doesn't scare me. She just is adamant on, I sleep okay. There's nothing on my Hoover roller, so God knows. LOL. No idea what it is. So far, dude, I think she is pretty cleared on this. Like, we have everything we need to know that she's not lying about this. The only issue that I have right now is the movement of the rug. So if we can answer these questions, like how the rug moves and account for the rug movement, we'll be good. But anyway, let's present the evidence again. Her uploads appear consistent. Both the camera angle and the setup make sense. She has a reason for having that camera there. She has a reason for posting the video to TikTok. Nothing seems out of the ordinary just yet. And then I would say everything looks like normal appearance-wise in the apartment. Like she has moved the ottoman so that she can vacuum the rug, and that makes complete sense. It doesn't seem like anything was set up with like a wire or anything. I mean, the cord to the vacuum is like totally normal. Lastly, I would say there is no obvious editing. That is basically all the evidence we have against this video being a ghost or scary. So if on the odd chance somebody did stage this video, there is a lot of effort that they would have to go through. I mean, because this seems to be a real person, and they would have to have 2 to 3 years invested into this con. And for 230K views, almost 3,000 likes, 230K views, I just don't think that amount of effort would make sense. I think most people could agree with that. Now, we have the evidence for section. The easiest thing to say is that somebody hooked up like a fishing wire to this part of the rug and yanked it up. I think that would be the only way that this could be staged. Other than that, it's got to be like a ghost. So if we can determine how that happened, I mean, that would be all we need. We're gonna watch the video one more time, see if we can narrow down how this movement happens. Okay, so first thing I think we should note here, the layout of the floor right here, because the floor is different from this floor. Now watch. Once it pulls up, yes, okay. I think I just saw what happened. You can see that this floor is entirely different from this floor. So we have 3 different floors here. And then look how this floor kind of merges with this one. It has like an inclined rubber piece. This is gonna be the same thing over here. So there's a ridge that she's vacuuming over right now that separates these 2 floors. And I'll try to be as visually accurate with this as possible. But hear me out here. This is what I think happened. And right there, you see this right here? There's like a crease on the bottom here, the way that like design goes in, which supports my theory that there's a rubber piece right there, right? And then look where it gets stuck before it comes up. See, she's over the piece right now. Against the rubber piece, exactly, pressed against it so that it is creasing the rug down. And that's what pulls the rug. Flips up with the exact same momentum as her vacuuming stroke. This one. Boom. Exactly with her push of the vacuum. After everything that I found, I actually don't think it's that simple, because faking it is way more difficult than the real explanation. I would personally say that we have enough evidence to say that this video is not scary. As for now, this case is closed, and our next investigation may already be open.